selling boats faster.
This is Barry Stevens of Boatshed Torquay, and here we are aboard the Fairline 40. We're just going to quick look around the interior now to show the sort of space and the layout. We're starting off in the saloon area. Just going to pan around to starboard. We've got plenty of storage, and also a saloon fridge. As we pan around to port now, just take a look at the seating area. Upholstery all in very good condition. And now we're going to make our way through the saloon and up to the interior helm position. As we pan around from the helm, we can overlook the large galley area, as you can see, with plenty of worktop space, a double sink, a 4-burner gas hob, and also a large gas oven and grill. Just make my way down the steps into the galley area. Also have a microwave and the main fridge, which has also got a very useful freezer compartment. And there's the gas oven, very large. Okay, making our way through the galley now until we come to the main heads compartment. Here. This is fitted with a Jabsco sea toilet, large basin, and also a shower. Around to port we have the double midship cabin, 2 single beds and plenty of headroom. Wardrobe at the back there between the beds, and a cupboard down under, always storage below the mattress of course. And then we pan around into the forward cabin, a large island double berth. Lots of lockers. A wardrobe there. And finally, as we pan around to port, we have the ensuite heads to the main cabin. Again, we've got a Jabsco sea toilet, a large basin and a shower. For full specification and numerous photographs of this vessel, please visit www.boatshedtorquay.com.